Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make wonderful mochi without rice flour at home, you'll need glutinous rice. See it on Amazon. This is the only rice you should use to make mochi if you want to get the perfect stretch, chew, and texture. Sweet red bean paste. See it on Amazon. Sweetened, mashed red beans. Sugar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Directions. Wash the rice. Put it in a bowl of water and scrub it by hand for a full 10 seconds. Soak in clean water overnight, or for 8 to 12 hours. Strain the rice. Grind the rice finely with a coffee grinder or food processor. Sift the ground rice flour into a bowl. You'll end up with about 4 cups of rice flour.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
These flours are ground from different types of rice. Our sweet white rice flour is ground from high starch, short grain white rice, sushi rice, while white rice flour is milled from medium grain white rice. You may be able to use them interchangeably in some recipes, but it may change the texture of your baked goods.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.